Good evening, everybody. Appreciate the opportunity to be back and give an update on the new high school project. We've got some slides to kind of show the progress that's being made, we've made some really good progress since the last board meeting. We also, at the end, will show about a 2-minute video that the CTE students put together. It's another project that they're doing with the drone, with the drones that they're using. So we'll jump right in with an update of what's happened in the last little bit. Oh, I guess that's me. Thought Kevin was So what's happened lately, the rough grading is complete on the site. We have all the electrical and communications conduit in the ground. The main water line for the school has started and is in progress. All the concrete slabs have been poured for the entire school on the first floor. And we've actually started pouring concrete. We'll show you pictures here in a minute on the second floor deck of certain portions of the school. We've started mechanical, electrical, plumbing, rough ends, the ones that are under the slabs. Those are complete. We've actually started duct work, which you'll show pictures of here in just a second, inside the building. The masonry walls for the auditorium and the gym are way up in the air. I've received a lot of comments that people can actually see the school now since it's come out of the ground. And then we've actually started setting steel on portions that I'll show here in a second. What's coming up? We're going to complete the water line here shortly. We're actually going to start the stormwater piping on site. We're going to complete the steel and the rest of the areas of the building, which are the classroom wings to the north end of the school. We are continuing to pour the concrete slabs on the second floor of the school. And then we're starting, I mentioned earlier, we're starting mechanical inside the schools and the duct work. And some of the above ceiling mechanical, electrical, plumbing work is actually going in as well. And we're starting to frame up walls in certain portions of the building, like the locker room areas on the athletics wing. The walls are starting to be framed. So start to get an idea of what those rooms are going to look like. And then we're starting to move up with the masonry on the second floor of the athletics area and the middle part of the school. And then you'll pretty soon be able to see the fieldhouse, and then the other end of the football stadium, the ticket booth coming out of the ground. And then we have pictures. This was about a week ago. This was where they were pouring the concrete on the slab on deck, the second floor on the athletic wing. You kind of see the gym on one side. Press box is going to be on the other. This is over top of the locker room areas. This is what it looked like when it was finished, same day. This is, if you're in the press box of the school looking out over the football stadium, this is the view that you'll see. It's kind of hard to tell, but you can see a bowl there. That is actually the football stadium that you're looking down into. And of course, you've got the great views of the mountains beyond. There's the steel being set up in portions of the school, kind of the middle of the school, starting to work their way towards the classroom wing from the auditorium and the office areas and the kitchen areas. That is ductwork going in the one of the corridors in the school. This is plumbing that's being roughed in, and this is actually a restroom area. Kind of hard to see, but this is a panoramic. If you're standing at the front of the school, out from the parking lot, this will give you an idea of that's actually the football stadium you're looking down to into the front of the school. This is the back side of the school. And then I think the real exciting part is the video that we're going to show. This is, you can see from the sky, this is what the entire school looks like as of, I guess, May 7th-ish. So the video is about 2 weeks old, I think, but it's actually pretty exciting. So I don't know, Kevin, is you, Brandon? We'll just kind of let it play. But you can see the gym. This is where the steel decking is, which is where they poured the concrete over the locker room areas. This is a week before the concrete pour. can get an idea of the gym in the back of it. The concessions is at the bottom of the page, concession areas. You walk into the school. There's Kevin's IT closet in the back. You turn around, you're moving in towards that's the auditorium. You can see the recessed concrete there. Into the kitchen, dining room areas, beyond the auditorium. There you go. Yep.
Is that the main lobby that we're looking at now?
That's the auditorium right there. The main lobby's just down from that just a little bit. If you walk in the school, you take a right.
Is it on the footprint now?
It is. So see where the steel's being set? Down from that. So this is the steel going down to the classroom wing into the CTE areas and the office areas. Steel will go up fast. An overview of the football stadium, parking lot, and the large crane that you could probably see from a distance. So that crane is pretty much sitting in the parking lot. And the views beyond. All this is done with, I don't know what kind of drone it's called, but it has a
The clarity's
name.
great.